How small our span of life, O God, our years from birth till death. A single beat within the heart, the catching of a breath. A drop within the ocean's deep, a grain upon the shore. A flash of light before we sleep, to see the sun no more. And yet our speck of life is spanned by your infinity. Our tick of time on earth is caught in your eternity, while suns and stars spin endlessly through depths of cosmic space. While eons roll with ages past, you hold us in your grace. O Christ, you left eternity to plunge in time's sweet stream, to share the shortness of our span, our mortal lives redeem. You filled your cross-closed years with love. You loved us to the end, and touch us with your risen life that ours may time transcend. We thank you, God, for kindling faith that lights our transient years, illumining our pilgrimage amidst of doubt and fears. For hope that sees a life beyond the swiftly passing days. For love both human and divine that lifts our hearts to